Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Class 6, welcome to the science class. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is motion and measurement of distances. In this chapter, first we will study about the story of transport, how the history of transport started, how do man learn to go from one place to another. Then we shall discuss about the old units of measurement and some new units of measurement. Children, you all must have used various modes of transport. Modes of transport means things that carry us from one place to another. Like you must have used rickshaw, car, bicycle. Then for long distances you have used buses, trains, aeroplanes, ship. All these are means of transport. So, now we shall discuss about the story of transport. You know, in the very primitive stage, man had no means of transport. Man had not invented any means of transport. He used to travel on foot from one place to another and carry all his luggage on back. Then, when early men invented how to tame animals, he started taming animals. Then they used domestic animals like horses, camels, elephants for transportation and carrying goods from one place to another. Later on, what happened? Early men invented wheel, and wheel brought many revolutions. When early men invented wheel, then many changes came. Now carts which were pulled by animals were used to travel from one place to another. And nowadays wheel is the basis of all our vehicles like bicycles, scooters, cars and motorbikes. Another important pillar in the story of transport is the invention of the steam engine by James Watt. When James Watt invented steam engine, a new source of power was generated and it led to the development of trains and automobiles. Motor ships were used as a means of transport on water. These inventions greatly reduce the time to travel. Nowadays, we use electric trains, aeroplanes, supersonic jets, and high-speed automobile, and which can take us in few seconds from one place to another. So all these are means of transport. Now we shall discuss about measurement. You must have seen in your home that whenever your mother cooks something, she has a cup or a bowl and measure the rice or pulses or anything with that only, and then she measure water also and then she cook. Have you seen your mother doing? Or whenever you buy something from the vegetable seller, then also you don't take random amount. The vegetable seller always measure the thing, then he sell it to you. So what is measurement? Measurement is the process of comparing the unknown quantities of an object to be measured with the fixed known quantities called unit. It is a very important process in science and in our daily life. Like at what time we should get up, how much time we should take to get ready, and how much time we take to come to a school, what amount we have to cook, everything is measured. What is the temperature of our body, what is the temperature of the surrounding, everything is to be measured. And any quantity that can be measured is called physical quantity. Like time is measured by a clock, na? So time is a physical quantity. Distance we measure distances, so distance is a physical quantity. Mass It is also a physical quantity. That thing that can be measured is a physical quantity like length, mass, volume, time, speed, temperature, all are physical quantities that we can measure physically. Not just we can express it, but we can measure it also. These quantities are called physical quantity. Now, in early days, people do not have standard units of measurement. They use different parts of their body to measure length. Like the length was measured by a hand span or a arm's length or cubit or pace, foot or fathom, the length of outstretched arms. But the units based on the length of the body part was not appropriate, as different people have different size body parts, so it vary from person to person. Therefore, the need of standard unit of measurement arise, and the standard units of measurement were developed by scientists. The standard unit of measurement